How to send XPR from Uphold to. In order to send XRP from Uphold to Ellipal, you have to follow these simple steps. So first thing first, what you want to do is log into your Uphold account, and from the home page you could see all of the asset that you have. After which you want to go ahead and select the particular asset that you want to transfer, and then next thing, you go ahead and click on the transfer or send button. As you do that, you want to go ahead and enter the exact amount that you want to transfer, and then you want to go ahead and select the currency type and all of that. And underneath, what you want to do is you have to paste in the wallet address of your recipient. So now you want to go ahead and open up your Alipay account. So when you open up your Ellipal account, this is how it's going to look like. After which you want to go ahead and select the asset that you're receiving. After that, you want to click on the asset, and here you'll be able to find the wallet address. So here you could go ahead and copy the wallet address. Now after that, you want to exit out of that page and go to this Uphold account and paste in the wallet address that you've recently copied and confirm the transaction. By doing these steps, you'll be able to send XRP from Uphold to Alipay. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.